Hey there, Library Cooperative users. Did you know you have thousands of digital books at your fingertips? Let's explore Libby by Overdrive. You'll need to sign in with your library card number, so have your library card handy. Don't know where yours is or need a new card? No worries. Just contact your library or your teacher for help. Libby's browsing page has all kinds of featured items. Hey, look! It's the Rainy River District Library Cooperative's collection. I love looking through the catalog guides near the top. Did you know there's over 1,900 mystery and thriller books? You can add preferences to browse as well, such as only showing audiobooks. Libby's search menu lets you search for super specific details. I want a book about dragons, but I also want a comedy book. Awesome! Click an item to bring up its menu. There will also be a description of the item, creator, and other details. Don't forget to look underneath for other books in the series. I don't know if I want this book or not. Let's read a sample. What does this mean? To define a word, hold down on it to turn it green and click Define. You can also click and hold on images to make them bigger and easier to see. Your account can borrow up to 10 items at a time. If an item is available, you can borrow it right now for 7 days or 14 days. If it's not, though, you have to put it on hold and wait a little while. All your loans go to the shelf. Now let's read this brand new book. Use the mouse to click the pages back and forth. You can pick between reading 1 or 2 pages at a time. This little thing is a bookmark maker. Click the bookmark on a page you want to remember and it will change color. The reader also lets you search for words. It finds every time a word is said inside the book. You can even change your accessibility settings for things like brightness, font size, and open dyslexic fonts. Lose track of your page? Follow your progress using the timeline. Now for audiobooks. Press the circle button to play or pause the audiobook.
Bad Kitty by Nick Brule.
The bottom menu has a timeline just like with the eBooks. Bookmarks work here too. The dial button at the top right can change the speed of the audiobook. Listen as slow or as fast as you want. Now before you go, let's take a quick look at the Libby mobile app. It's super similar to the website, but there's a couple differences. You may be wondering if you can read books when your phone isn't connected to the internet. Well, you can. In the Shelf menu, tap Actions and change download rules. Check Everything to have your app automatically download items. Don't worry about downloads taking up space either. Libby automatically deletes them off your phone as soon as you return your items. Finally, don't forget to edit your Libby notifications. Just click the logo and tap Manage Notifications to decide what's right for you. Have questions? Feel free to comment below or call your library. Happy reading!